Hey, welcome back to another one. This is the Island of the Little Land series that I did. I was going for a pretty dark one here, instead of the typical tropical sunny island that you often see. So this sketch is actually done on my phone in heavy paint with a finger, and right here I just switched to Procreate on the iPad. I love just starting out sometimes, on the go or wherever I am when I'm inspired, and then just go for it. And I don't have my iPad with me, maybe not my sketchbook, but I do have my phone, so I could, in this case, just, open heavy paint on the phone and do a little sketch and just capture what I had in mind and then continue that at home. And like I said last video, I started this without too much, thought behind it, and just figuring it out as I go here. I knew I wanted a cool atmosphere, like it's a cold place, maybe kind of a rocky beach, not so inviting, not the place you go for on holiday. And then these geysers are shooting out of the ground to just make this more interesting and not the typical thing that you might expect to see, when thinking of an island or a beach. And then the color choice is also one. It's a cool palette, blues and grays, purples, and it's pretty desaturated. And then also, it just helps with the mood that I'm going for. That there's no blue sky. It's just there might be a storm coming in. It's cloudy, not the best weather, but pretty moody. I think at one point I thought about, even adding rain or something, but I didn't do it in the end. And then here we went a lot darker, as you can see. I will go brighter later on, just like I did with the swamp, if you watched that video. But sometimes I feel like it just helps when you first go darker than to manually bring some things back into the light and paint over it again, instead of just doing it straight away or keeping it bright from the get-go. I don't know, just personal preference, I guess. I could have done the whole thing, continued it in heavy paint. I just love that app, but in this case it's Procreate. I have some traditional style brushes in there that I really enjoy working with, so this is what I use. It's almost just one brush for the whole thing. And yep, here you could see me just do a brighter layer over the whole beach area, and the dark spots are still coming through, and I will get rid of more of those later on. And now I just want to add some of these visual effects, the soft edges of the geysers that get distorted and blown away by the wind, and then back there are some waves crashing onto those little rocks just outside the shoreline. And then by this point I think I was pretty happy with it. I found kind of some flowy lines or direction of brushstrokes on the beach itself, and then defined that old trunk with the branches lying there. And this is the final. Thanks for watching.